Hey there mga my loves, Aries! So before we started, we just make bate, no? Hi and hello sa ating mga new subscribers, new viewers. My name is Yan. Welcome here. At sa mga returning kong subscribers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. And yeah, kung hindi pa po knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is inilagay ko sa description box ng reading nito. So if interested kayo and you haven't tried na tumambay dyan, you can click the link and ma-redirect na kayo dun sa ating other channel, which is Dal Memes. Doon sa channel na yun is nag-upload din tayo ng daily collective readings for all signs. So no matter what your zodiac sign is, when we say collective, kahit anong zodiac sign mo, pwede kang makinig manood. Basta just take only what resonates. And yes, wala rin po tayong gender. So babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin is-switch at magka-swap yung mga roles dahil ito ay isang general reading. And at the end of the day, everybody, you hold your free will with you or malaya niyong gamitin ito anytime, anywhere. Cross-watchers ni Aries, you're welcome as well. At kung may Aries placement sa kanilang natal or birth chart, welcome din po. So let's go ahead and check these messages for you. Aries, Archangel Michael, thank you so much together with the angel guides. Can we get messages for Aries, please? What does Aries needs to know? What does Aries needs to know? Can you please show me? This reading is intended for me, Aries people. What this Aries needs to know? Aries. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages right here for ya, Aries. Patanggalin natin tong tissue. So you do have here, guys, the Five of Wands. We also have here for you, Aries, the Ten of Cups. Andito din po, the World card energy. Present din here, Queen of Wands. We also have here, Justice card energy. You now have two major arcanas, Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck, you have here the Chariot. We also have here the Page of Wands energy and the High Priestess energy. Okay. Purong natin, mga babes, no? So, Aries na nakikita ko dito, no? Mukhang meron dito sa family na possible na tampuhan or paparating pa lang ito, no? Maaaring meron dito misunderstanding sa loob ng inyong tahanan na between you and the family member might be or someone here, no? Sa inyong mga relatives. No? So, nakita tayo dito na misunderstanding na possible na magkasagutan at magkaroon ng tampuhan. Pero wag mag-alala kasi itong distansya na to or gap na to is matatapos din naman. Kasi nakikita ko na hindi magtatagal is magkakaayos na lang din ng natural sa loob ng family. And aside from that, nakita rin ako ng opportunity no, rito pagdating sa inyong kaperahan. No? So nakita ko rito that you will be chosen, no? Pwedeng ng company ninyo as a representative na ipadala no, sa isang sister company into other company right here. Not nakikita ko rito na isa itong good opportunity sa'yo kasi mukhang you do not see something here coming, no? Possible na tinitest or challenge ka ng company or ng boss mo dito, no? Dahil nire-ready ka nila for a bigger role. Yan, no? So, yan mga babes, ang ganda nito nakikita natin, no? And yun nga, meron pa ditong side na offer, no? Kasi nakita ko dito na posibleng offeran ka ng other parties dito, no? Kung saan pwede kang magkaroon ng options, no? So, it's up to you mga babes, no? Kung ano yung i-grab mo ditong opportunity. But definitely, this is something here great with the World card energy. I'm seeing you, yan, no? Saying yes to an agreement, no? So, it's a close deal right here. So, nakita tayo rito, no, ng kasaganahan in terms of your finances or growth sa yung career or job areas. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko dito ang celebration, no, sa loob ng inyong office. Posibleng may kainan, no? Kantsawan dito, no? Pa-burger naman kayo dyan. Or eto libre-libre or whatever, no? So, nakikita ko dito that with the Four of Wands energy, no, this is a workplace situation kung saan mukhang makaka-receive ka ng compliments, no, with your other colleagues, no, or other co-workers. Yun yung nakikita natin dito. Lalo na, kung dyan sa trabaho na yan is matagal ka na na parang family mo na, no, yung mga kasamahan mo sa trabaho rito, no. So, nakita na ko rito na supportan na talagang solid, like genuine yung support nila sa'yo, no? You are someone here who is balanced rin, Aries, no? At medyo fair and square ka pagdating sa mga situations, no? Hindi ikaw yung klase ng energy na porket ka-close mo, yun na yung kakampihan mo. You are someone here, no? Na nakikinig and at the same time, you try to balance everything, no? So, ito ka, no, na nakikita ko dito na posibleng meron ka ritong um, gawan ng paraan 'no, para matapos yung gusot or masolusyonan yung isang situation dito na posibleng mag-weigh, okey, or maaaring maging mahirap for you guys 'no. But nakikita ko dito na pipiliin mo kung ano yung tama 'no, and hindi ka kasi ikaw yung klase ng tao na nagto-tolerate rito ng mali, okey? At dito nakikita ko mga babes 'no, na posibleng yung iba sa inyo may pagka-prangka kayo, Aries, 'no? So, possible na meron kayo rito na encounter 'no, sa pagiging truthful ninyo, pagiging honest ninyo and direct. Possible na meron ditong mainis sa inyo. It could be someone here sa loob ng workplace, 'no, but you're trying to be someone na nagpapakatotoo lang naman, 'no? So, yan 'no, with the word boring, 'no, possible na ikaw ito na nagiging direct ka lang dito kasi you are not someone here wasting time. So you are just being direct. You are just giving your honest opinion about something, no? Lalo na if you are an owner of a business, yan, no? So tingin ko meron ditong sasama yung loob sa inyo, no? Pero okay lang at least nagpakatotoo kayo dito, no? Tsaka kung ito ay usaping pera, no? Mas maganda na nasa tamang flow tayo, 'di ba? Okay? Kasi nakikita ko dito na yung iba sa inyo business-minded, no? At saka gusto lang ninyo yung quality ng work, no? So, puwedeng meron kayo ritong sisitahin na staffs under you or mga trabahador kung kayo man ay entrepreneur or may own na business or kung kayo man ay parang, leader or head ng something 'no, sa inyo ritong pinagtatrabahuhan, possible din po iyan. You're just giving your honest opinion and possible lang din na may ma-hurt or masaktan, pero it's okay, okay? Kailangan talaga 'yun 'no. Minsan kailangan talaga ng, mga ganyan 'no para, mas mapabuti natin yung trabaho natin 'no. So, pero nakukuha ko rin dito na may iba pang mensahe ito. Possible na kayo ito na meron kayo rito na parang magiging suitor 'no, and you will find this person here na hindi nagma-match ng inyong energy. So, you're saying no to this person here 'no. So, nakikita ko dito that you are really in this type of energy na alam mo yung ginagawa mo at alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo na mapatao man yan or mapabagay, yan 'no. So, maliban diyan nakakita rin ako ng energy dito na yung iba possible na may motorcycle kayo or kung hindi man possible na may car kayo or kung wala man, isa yan sa parang mga gusto mo na magkaroon ka this 2025, no? I can see that happening, no? Sa 2025. So, magkakaroon ka niyan, motor man yan or sarili mo ritong sasakyan 'no, possible na masimulan or magkaroon ka na niyan this 2025. And then nakakita rin ako rito 'no, ng new project para sa'yo with the Page of Wands energy. Tuloy-tuloy lang dito mga babes 'no, kung ano man 'tong new project na 'to, you are excited to do this kasi mukhang nakikita mo na magiging successful yung kalalabasan nito or yung outcome nito in this new project 'no, mukhang tignan mo yung itsura mo diyan. Mukhang talagang plinano at mukhang talagang, ito yung nakikitaan mo ng potensyal, no? So, nakikita ko dito that you are on the right path. Just follow here your intuition with the High Priestess at tuloy-tuloy lang din dito, no? Yung ginagawa mo, no? Dagdagan mo pa yung confidence sa sarili mo. Erase mo rito yung iyong self-esteem para mas talagang maging successful yung project na yun. Yung iba hindi lang yun related sa trabaho, Puwede rin kasi meron kang bagay na gustong gawin or may ginagawa kang ibang bagay gaya ng baka may nililigawan ka ditong someone you like, 'no? Or baka meron ka ditong, event na ino-organize 'no, sa loob ng family or with your friends, mga ganyan 'no. You have other personal dealings sa life mo, possible din na yun yung project na tinutukoy dito. So, maliban diyan nakita rin ako dito ng family reunion coming up. Kung hindi man ito family reunion, possible na meron ditong mamanhika na sa inyo, Aries. Makikita ko dito blended family ni ito. Kaya naman, ano yan, miss, hindi pa nga nagpo-propose yung boyfriend ko or hindi pa nagpo-propose yung lover ko, Miss Yana. Well, this is a strong indication that your lover will soon confess his or her feelings and emotions here for you na gusto kanya dito talagang maging part ng kanyang whole new world, new chapter na ito for the both of you guys, yan, no? Pero yun nga lang, no, yung iba sa inyo, may tampuhan kayo ngayon, kaya parang feeling ninyo, no, hindi pa ito mangyayari ngayon, no? Pero wag ka this is about to approach, no, na mangyayari. So, nakikita ko dito that soon, like, yung energy is parang 2 months from now, no, possible na ito ay maganap na. Wow! Kaya naman, congratulations in advance. No? And also, 4 of Wands is an indication of marriage. So, I can see that marriage, it is a marriage contract together with the Justice. So, very evidently, there is someone here na papasok na no, sa buhay ng married life. Yan, no? And last but not least, nakita rin ako dito, no? Meron ba kayong parang pamangkin or kayo mismo, no, may gusto mag-law dito, nakikita ko, no, na matutupad yung pangarap na yan. It will not resonate for each and everyone, but matutupad yan, no, something to do with law, economics, politics, matutupad yan, no. So, wow, kahit yung mapamangkin ninyo na yan yung babalakin kunin, yan yung nakikita nating matutupad dito. Yan mga babes. And yeah, paalala lang, no, kagaya kay Taurus, possible na may makalimutan kayo ritong dalhin or bitbitin. Mangyari lamang mga babes na i-check ang inyong things, no, the night before bago kayo rito lumarga papuntang school o papuntang work. So again, I'm Yuriana Uni, Sarang Heal, Love and Light.